Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to add links to your social bar in your Wix mobile website. So let us get started. First, open your Wix mobile website and navigate to the page where you have the social bar located. Click on the social bar and a menu will appear. Tap on Set Social Links to start adding your links. You will see the icons of various social media platforms displayed on the social bar. To add a link to a specific platform, for example, Facebook, click on the corresponding icon. Once you have selected the icon, here you can change the URL address to your desired link. For Facebook, enter the URL of your Facebook page or profile. When you are done, click on Done to save the link. Repeat this process for each social media platform you want to add links to. You can add links for platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and more. If you decide that you don't want to include a certain social media platform, you can easily remove it. Just click on the icon you want to delete and tap on Remove Image to remove the link. To add more social media icons to your social bar, click on Add Icons and a list of additional platforms will appear. Select the icons you want to include and they will be added to your social bar. Once you have added and set up all your social links, click Done to finalize the changes. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.